In this video, we will show an integration between atoms and SmartUQ, and how this integration can be used to run numerical experiments and gather engineering insight. For demonstration, we will be using a simple projectile motion model. The projectile is aimed at a target, and the error associated with various launch angles is computed. The Atoms SmartUQ integration is based on the Atoms command server functionality. When the command server starts, a data connection via an open port is established. The various design variables available for parameterization within Atoms and the relevant responses are brought into the SmartUQ interface. The user can select the variables that need to be made available for analysis. A design of experiments, or DOE, is generated to understand the effects of the various system variables on projectile targeting. The DOE is solved by the Atoms model, and the user is presented with a visualization of the projectile responses within Atoms. With the Atoms solution data, an emulator can be fit using SmartUQ for further processing. The emulator's predictions and the goodness of fit can be visualized within the SmartUQ interface. The emulator can then be used to run an optimization problem and isolate a set of launch parameters to minimize the targeting error. The optimal settings can then be validated via an Atoms simulation command from within the SmartUQ interface. The user can gauge the uncertainty of the error response for the optimized design using the uncertainty propagation feature within SmartUQ. Here, the user can define the variation in the design parameters that will impact the design's performance and assess the probabilistic performance of the response. A sensitivity analysis can also be executed on the optimized design configuration to gauge the level of influence each design parameter has on the error response.